The problem with my 3D printer, as you will see, is the Bowden tube keeps coming out. I'm going to change out the Bowden tube for a new one that I have, so let me show you that. I'm going to try to show you the problem with the old Bowden tube first. The teeth on this fitting, they are no good anymore. They're metal teeth and they don't really grab onto the tube. So I will take out the fitting, both of them, as well as the Bowden tube that is damaged. Now for the test, I'm going to print some stands that I need. Here are the finished stands. Here are the stands up close. Can't get it to focus, so I'll give you another shot. So here they are up close, and they actually printed. It's a 0.6 nozzle, so it's not the greatest detail, but for what I need, it's just fine.